Hello students, welcome to class 2nd subject computer. So welcome back after vacations. Hope you have enjoyed in your vacations. So now let us revise. The different topics for revision are what is a computer, basic parts of computer, and IPO cycle with different daily life examples. First of all, we are going to revise what is a computer. So computer is an electronic machine. We give input to the computer, it processes it and give us the output. So it's a definition. It's an electronic machine because it works with the help of electricity, and we give instructions to the computer, that is input. It processes it and it gives us the result on the monitor. So these are the basic parts of the computer. So let's revise it. Monitor. System unit is also known as CPU. So this is a CPU. Mouse. This one is mouse. Keyboard. So speak out with me. Monitor. This one is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. So these are the other parts. Speakers. This is also a speaker and this one is also a speaker. And this is a microphone. So these are the different parts of a computer. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, speakers, microphone. So now we are going to start with the IPO cycle. Computer works on the principle of IPO cycle. IPO means input, process, output. Input is given with the help of keyboard. Processing is done in the CPU and we get the result or output on the monitor. So this is input, process, output cycle. So one more example I will give you. See here, we give input to the computer through the keyboard. Suppose we have pressed A key from the keyboard and processing is done here and you get the result A on the monitor. So this is the output. A is the output which is displayed on the monitor. So we give input to the computer through the keyboard. Processing is done in the CPU and output we get on the monitor. So this is IPO cycle. IPO cycle, input, process, output cycle. So now let us learn about some examples or activities in our daily life which involve the input, process, output cycle. So in our daily life student also हम daily life में भी बहुत सारी examples होती हैं हमारे बीच which works on the principle of input, process and output. For example, first of all, the first example which we are taking up is cooking of rice in a cooker. So we put the rice in a cooker. See here, this is a rice cooker. We have put the rice in a cooker and select cooking. This is input. Then whatever we need for cooking the rice, whether it is water or anything, that is comes in the input. And when we put all these ingredients of cooking in the cooker and we start the cooker, cooking starts, this is what processing is going on. And when you get the cooked rice, this is the output. So while cooking rice also, it follows these input, process, output steps. So another example I have taken is preparing of orange juice. For orange juice, you need oranges, some pinch of salt and some sugar. That is the input. Whatever ingredients you need to make that particular thing, so that is the input. So when you put that everything like oranges, some water, salt, sugar in the juicer and starts it, that is processing is going on. And when you get a glass full of orange juice, that is the output. So in this case also we come across IPO cycle, input process output cycle. So in our daily life also, see, whenever we are making a orange juice, whether we are cooking a Maggie, everything is involved in 3 steps, or is done in 3 steps: input, process and output. Now let's move to the another example, that is making of hamburger. So to make a hamburger, so we need lettuce, tomatoes, patties, bun and ketchup. These are the ingredients to make a hamburger. So this is the input. And when we cook the patty, put the ingredients together. So see here, he is cooking it. This is comes under process. Processing is going on. And after that we get the result. We get a delicious hamburger. This is the output. So again, IPO cycle is involved in this process to make a hamburger also. Another example is we want to make a pizza, and for that we need pizza base with toppings. That is a input. And when we bake the pizza in the microwave, what's going on? Processing is going on. See here in the microwave, everything we have put and we have on the microwave. What's going on? It's baking the pizza. This means it processing is going on. And now we get a yummy pizza. So see, in the plate, or when your mom serves you the yummy pizza, so that is the output. So this process also involves input, process, output. So clear to all? So one more example I have taken, that is washing of clothes. So for washing of clothes, what do you need? You need dirty clothes, dirty clothes. These are the dirty clothes and this is the input. You want some detergent and you want some water to wash this. This becomes the input. And when you put all the things in the washing machine and you on the washing machine, it starts doing its work. Start washing the clothes, that is processing. And when you get the washed clothes, this is the output. So students, in washing of clothes also, we do these washing in 3 steps: input, process and output. So it involves a input, process, output cycle. So in our daily life also. So students, while doing any work, you can see we whatever work we are doing, we follow these 3 steps. Clear? For example, for sharpening a pencil, you need a sharpener, a pencil, and that is input. And when you're sharpening the pencil, it is the processing is going on. And when you get the sharpened pencil, that is the output. So that is the result or output. It also involves IPO cycle. So we have revised it, what is the IPO cycle, and the daily life examples I have given you. So in your mind also you should revise that whatever work you're doing at home also, it involves these 3 steps. So you also remember it and revise this. So thank you once again for joining this session. Have a nice day ahead.